What is up, everybody? Today we have another unboxing video, and if you're seeing it from the thumbnail, you probably know what it is. But I got two packages. You see right here. This one is from Los Angeles Archive, and this one's from New Republic, I think. I've been waiting for it, so let's go ahead and open it and let's check it out. Alright, y'all, so this is what we got right here, and I mean, hard doing one hand. Can't wait for this one. I think this is a shirt. We'll find out. I don't even know what it is, but I'm gonna try to put the phone down and I'm gonna open it up. Alright, y'all, so I open it up. I didn't even need a knife. I just ripped it. Look at that. This is cool. So this is how it looks, and damn, not gonna lie, this looks clean. Like I always wanted the Jesus King shirt because it's one of my favorite albums from Ye. I think it's a good album. It's underrated and underappreciated. But this is from Los Angeles Archive. And damn, bro. This is a nice blue. I like this type of blue. And I like the yellow it has. So this is more like a summer shirt. Or I see it more like a summer vibe. And I love that, like, the neck is like tight. It's a crew neck, I think. So that looks really cool. But like that type of yellow looks really nice with this type of blue. So in the summer, I'm gonna be like a beacon, bro. You're gonna see me, obvious. That was cool. It feels soft too. Yeah, it feels nice. If I have to rate this shirt from right now, I'll rate it like a 7 out of 10. Like, this is really cool. Too bad the back doesn't have anything, I think. Yeah, it has nothing. It's just blue. But it's more about the front. Alright, guys, so I'm gonna do B-roll shots. And I'm probably gonna talk about it. And I'm gonna show you guys how it looks on me and the way I'm gonna style it. So let's go to that. Alright, so one thing I just want to mention is that I got really sick, so sorry for my voice sounding like that. But anyways, I got this from Los Angeles Archive. And one thing, I don't remember the price. I'm looking through my emails. They never sent me anything, so I forgot how much it was. But I'm pretty sure it was not over like $40 or $50. So this shirt was probably like 20, 25, 30. But I got this Jesus King shirt. And to be honest, it's one of my favorite albums from Ye. I think the album is really cool. I think it's underrated and underappreciated. But I really like this royal blue with this really nice, like, bright yellow. That combination looks really, really cool. Too bad the back has nothing. I wish there was like something, like a picture or at least like something, you know what I mean? But it's blank and there's nothing special in the back. But the front is really cool. I don't know if you could tell, but the font is kind of like puffed up. And to be honest, that's really cool. I really like that detail, that it's puffed up. But in person, it looks way better. But other than that, let's go see how it fits. Alright, y'all, so this is how it looks on me, and to be honest, it fits really, really nice. This is a size small, and to be honest, I would get this again in a size medium, but in a different color. But this one fits really nice. It's not like a heavyweight shirt, it's like a light shirt, and I love that the neck is a crew neck, so that's pretty cool. But this is more like a summer shirt. Like I said, it's not heavyweight, you know. It's pretty light, and I love to wear this in the summer. And of course, there's a navy color, a black one, a white one. But if I had to get any of them, I will get the navy one and the black one. I just think the black and yellow would be really cool. And I also really want the long sleeve one. I know that's dropping soon, so I'm gonna try to cop that. But this is how it looks tucked in. Like I said in the last video, sometimes I like to tuck my shirts. It's pretty cool. But to be honest, like I said, I'll get a medium just because I want the sleeves to be a little bit more, you know, baggy and more low. But other than that, this shirt is really nice. It's soft, it's not itchy, and it's pretty cool. So yeah, I'll rate this shirt like 8 out of 10. Really cool. Alright, y'all, so this is the next package. So the Jesus King shirt was really, really cool. So I liked it, but I'm gonna try to do this one hand again, which I think is gonna be pretty hard. But at the same time, I think it's gonna be pretty easy. Nice. I can't believe I'm doing this one hand. I feel like a real YouTuber now. Nah, I'm playing. I'm gonna cut this carefully. I don't want to cut anything. Alright, y'all, so I just opened it up, and damn, this one's gonna be crazy. So if you don't know this already, or from the thumbnail, this is the YeezyGap. Damn, I forgot the name already. But damn, I can't wait to wear this puffer. I always wanted it when it first came out. I remember when it first came out too. I was like, I'm gonna save up and just wait, you know. But then the whole Ye situation happened, and I remember I couldn't get anything. There was like a countdown before it shuts down the website, and the only thing I could get was the perfect hoodie, the blue one. So unfortunately, I never got the jacket, but now I got it, and I'm gonna go ahead and open it, and let's see. Alright, yeah, so this is how it looks. And damn, bro, I gotta put the knife away. But so the weird thing about, you know, Yeezys, I'll probably do a video on the shoes too. The hard part is that, you know, each item is like a different size. Like a bunch of my Yeezy shoes are all different sizes. Now with the hoodie, I forgot what size I got. I think I got a medium, and it fits like a small. So with the jacket, I'm not sure. I watch a bunch of YouTube videos. People say go size up, and then you got a lot of people saying going size down. So I'm like, I don't know which is true. So I tried it out with a size extra small. So we'll see. And then the inside feels nice. That's crazy. Too bad the black one sold out and the blue one, the only one was the red one. I don't really wear red. It's kind of weird, but it's the only thing I can get. So yeah, this is like a puffer jacket, and I'm gonna talk about it with the B-roll shots of the jacket. So let's go ahead. Alright, y'all, so this is from New Republic. It was only like $70. It was on sale. It wasn't a lot, but the original price was like $180, I think. I do want to get all the colors, so this one's really cool. This jacket is like a really bright red, but it's interesting because it has no zippers, and that's the thing I really like about this jacket. It has pockets on the left side and right side, like all jackets do, and it also has a hidden pocket inside, so that's pretty cool. But this jacket is very shiny and very like bright. Like you're pretty much like a beacon, you know what I mean? If I had to rate the jacket right now, I will rate it like 8 out of 10. This jacket is really dope. This was the one Ye was wearing at the first listening party. It's iconic, but other than that, let's go see how it fits. Alright, y'all, so this is how it looks on me, and to be honest, there's a lot of things going on. Like, damn, I think this jacket is a little too big. Not crazy big, but it is kind of like big. So if you wear a size medium, I think this jacket will fit you. By the way, this is an extra small, so if you're medium, the extra small will fit you. I gave it to my dad to try it on, and to be honest, it fits him really good. So if you're a medium, get an extra small. If you're a size small, I suggest going 2 down, and if you're large, then get just a small. Like usual, sometimes these stuff come in different sizes. Either they're too big or they're too small, so that's the confusing part, like always. Too bad the round jacket didn't fit, but hopefully in the future I could cop the blue and black. But the side is crazy. It looks so wide, but I'm telling you, it feels nice. But it just looks wide from the side, but it's not. This jacket is heavy and it feels like a winter jacket, so it's going to keep you warm if you're out in the cold. And one thing I like about this jacket is the design. It looks like a bomber mixed with a puffer jacket, and I like that it has no zippers. It makes it look and feel different from any other jacket. I'm gonna rate this jacket at 8 out of 10 just because I'm a big fan of this jacket. I love the design, and the whole 2021 and 22 era of Ye and the whole Dondo thing is iconic. So I can't wait to get the colors in my size and wear outdoors. But to be honest, if you have money to spend, I suggest getting this jacket. It looks cool and it feels warm. But that's my thoughts on this jacket. Also got more YeezyGap items coming on the way, so I can't wait to show y'all. The shirt was nice and I liked it a lot. Can't wait to get the long sleeve version. And the jacket was dope. Can't wait to get the other colors. But that was it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like. Let me know what you think of it. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.